Hello, my wise elders. Welcome back to this great channel. Today we'll be talking about 5 exercises seniors must do every day for maintaining strength, balance, flexibility, and independence as we age. Here are 5 safe, effective exercises seniors should consider doing every day after consulting with a healthcare provider. Chair squats for leg strength and stability. Builds quadriceps and glute strength, which is essential for standing up, climbing stairs, and preventing falls. How to do it. Sit toward the front of a sturdy, armless chair with feet hip-width apart. Lean your torso slightly forward. Engage your core and slowly stand up. Pause, then slowly lower back to chair with control. Don't plop down. Reps, aim for 10 to 15 repetitions. Safety, use a chair against the wall. If needed, place cushions on the chair to decrease the range of motion. 2. Wall push UPS for upper body and core strength. Why? Maintains chest, shoulder, and arm strength without straining the back or wrists. Engages the core for stability. How to do it. Stand an arm's length away from a blank wall. Place palms flat on the wall at shoulder height and shoulder width apart, keeping your body straight. Slowly bend your elbows to bring your chest toward the wall. Push back to the starting position. Reps, aim for 8 to 12 repetitions. Safety, keep feet firmly planted. Move closer to the wall to make it easier. 3. Heel-to-toe walk for balance and coordination. Why? This is the one exercise to improve dynamic balance and prevent falls by mimicking a tightrope walk. How to do it. Find a clear hallway or use a countertop for light support if needed. Place the heel of one foot directly in front of the toes of the other foot so they touch. Focus on a spot ahead and take slow, deliberate steps, maintaining the heel-to-toe contact. Duration. Walk for 20 to 30 feet, about 10 to 15 steps. Safety. Always perform near a sturdy handrail counter or with a spotter. 4. Seated torso twist for spinal mobility and core. Why? Maintains flexibility in the spine, aids in digestion, and helps with functional movements like looking behind you. How to do it. Sit tall on a chair with feet flat on the floor. Cross your arms over your chest or place hands on opposite shoulders. Gently twist your torso to the right, looking over your right shoulder. Hold for 2 to 3 breaths. Return to center and repeat on the left side. Reps, 5 to 10 gentle twists to each side. Safety, move only as far as is comfortable. The movement should come from your mid-back, not your neck. 5. Ankle alphabet for ankle mobility and circulation. Why? Improves ankle flexibility, critical for balance, promotes circulation to reduce swelling, and helps prevent stiffness. How to do it. Sit tall in a chair with your back supported. Extend one leg slightly off the floor. Using your big toe as a pen, slowly trace the capital letters of the alphabet in the air. Keep movements controlled, and use your full ankle range of motion. Reps. Complete the alphabet with one foot, then switch to the other. Safety. If extending the leg is difficult, keep your heel on the floor and just move the foot. Crucial safety and consistency tips. Consult first. Always get approval from your doctor or physical therapist before starting a new exercise routine. Warm up. Start with 5 minutes of gentle marching in place or arm circles to warm up your muscles. Focus on form, not force. Move slowly and with control. Never push into pain. Mild discomfort is okay. Sharp pain is not. Breathe. Exhale during the exertion, e.g. when standing up. Inhale during the release. Make it a habit. Link your daily exercises to an existing routine, like after morning coffee or before the evening news. Consistency is more important than intensity. Listen to your body. Some days you'll feel stronger than others. Adjust reps or rest as needed. Remember, the goal of daily exercise for seniors is maintenance and injury prevention. These simple movements, done consistently, can profoundly impact your strength, confidence, and quality of life, helping you stay active and independent for years to come.